Hello and welcome to Vision Academy. My name is Hanmant Ladwa and in this video we are going to write a C++ program to convert seconds into hours, minutes and seconds. So let us write the preprocessor directives hash include in Angular base. We are going to write iostream.h header file, and the next preprocessor directive is hash include in Angular base. We are going to write console input output.h header file. Now we are going to write void main function curly open brace, and here in the declaration section I'm going to declare all the necessary variables that are to be used in the program with the data type int. Here I'm going to write total seconds without any space in between, comma, I'll write minutes, the next variable, and the next one is seconds, and then I'm going to write hours and put semicolon. Now I'm going to write CLR SCR function, which is used to clear the screen. Now we will ask the user to enter the total seconds using cout statement. So stream insertion operator in a double quotation mark, I'm going to write enter the total seconds. So end the double quotation mark and put semicolon. Now using the cin statement, we are going to receive the input from the user through keyboard. Now I'm going to write seconds and put semicolon. So here the original seconds entered by the user has to kept intact in one more variable called total seconds. Okay, so for that I'm going to write total seconds is equated with value stored in the variable called seconds. Now let us go for calculating hours. Here I'm going to write hours is equal to seconds integer division by 3600, because here 1 hour consisting of 3600 seconds. Now we are going to calculate the remaining seconds after removing the total number of hours. Now we are going to write seconds is equal to seconds modular division by 3600. So whenever we use integer division, this returns quotient. Whenever we use modular division, this returns remainder. Okay, yes. Next we are going to calculate minutes. Minutes is equal to seconds integer division by 60, because 1 minute consisting of 60 seconds. Now we are going to calculate the remaining seconds after removing the number of minutes. So here I'm going to write seconds is equal to seconds modular division by 60 and then put semicolon. Now we have to print the number of hours, minutes and seconds using cout statement. So cout stream insertion operator, and here we have seen that the original value entered by the user in the variable called seconds is equated to total seconds in order to keep the original number of seconds intact. Here I'm going to write total seconds. Here stream insertion operator, and then I'm going to write in a double quotation mark seconds is equal to, so it is going to display here value stored in this variable, and whatever we have written in a double quotation mark, it will be printed as it is. So seconds, these many seconds is equal to, then here I'm going to write hours, that is the value stored in this variable will be printed, and then stream insertion operator in a double quotation mark I'm going to write hours is equal to, then I'm going to end the double quotation mark, then I'm going to write stream insertion operator. Next I'll write minutes, again I'm going to use here stream insertion operator in a double quotation mark, I'm going to write minutes is equal to end the double quotation mark, and then I'm going to write over here. So you can write equal to, or you can simply put dash over here. Okay, so I'm going to put dash instead of equal to, let me write dash. Okay, next here stream insertion operator, then I'm going to write here seconds, and then stream insertion operator, and in a double quotation mark I'm going to write here seconds, end the double quotation mark and put semicolon. Then we'll write get ch function curly closing brace for this main function. Now let us take an example. Here I'm going to write output. So once we compile and run this program, it will ask the user to enter the total seconds. So here I'm going to write enter the total seconds. For example, 3661. Now, so this value will be stored in seconds. Here I'm going to write seconds is equal to 3661. Now, let us see here the next statement. Total seconds is equal to, here I'm going to write total seconds is equal to seconds. So second is what? It is 3661. So this is in turn initialized to total seconds. Next, we are going to calculate hours is equal to seconds divided by 3600. So how many seconds we have? 3661 seconds. Integer division by 3600. So here this gives us the quotient. So 3600 ones are 3600 ones are. So here 1 is the quotient. So 1 will be stored in hours. So that is 1 hour. Next statement, seconds. Here I'm going to write seconds is equal to, seconds is 3661 modular division by 3600. So this gives us the remainder. Here 3600 ones are 3600 ones are. 1 is quotient. 3661 minus 3600 gives us 61. So 61 seconds will be stored in a seconds variable. Next we are going to calculate minutes. Here I'm going to write minutes is equal to seconds. Now seconds value is changed from 3661 to 61. Now it is 61 integer division by 60. So whenever we use integer division, it always returns us the quotient. 61s are 61s are. So 1 is stored in minutes. The next one is seconds. Here I'm going to write seconds is equal to seconds modular division by 60. So seconds are 61 modular division by 60. So this gives us the remainder after dividing. 61s are 61s are. 61 minus 60, that gives us 1. So here 1 will be stored in seconds. So after performing all these 4 statements, then we are going to execute cout total seconds. So what was the value stored in total seconds? So whatever the original value that we have entered, it is stored in total seconds, that is 3661. Here I am going to write the value stored in total seconds. So total second, here you can see it is 3661. Then it is going to print seconds, and then we'll write here equal to. Here you can write this is equal to. Then it is going to print hours. Here you can see we have hours value 1. I'm going to write as it is, and in a double quotation mark it is written as hours dash, then minutes. Here you can see we have got 1 minutes. So whatever we have written in a double quotation mark, it will be printed as it is, minutes, and then it is going to put dash and then seconds. So this is a variable that is holding value 1. So it is going to print 1, then it is going to print seconds. So this word which is put it in a double quotation mark. So here 3661 second is equal to 1 hour, 1 minute and 1 second. Now let us execute this program. For that I will take you to my laptop screen. Here you can see I have already written this program in Turbo C++ compiler to save your time. Let us compile this program by pressing Alt F9. Here it is showing success, that indicates there is no syntax error, and now I'm going to press enter. Let us run this program by pressing Ctrl F9. Here it is asking the user to enter the total seconds. Here I'm going to write 3661 and press enter. Here you can see it is printing 3661 seconds is equal to 1 hours, 1 minutes and 1 seconds. I hope you understood this program. If so, please write down in the comment box as understood. Thank you.